For today's interview, we have with us Mr. Amit, CTO of Yobi Tech, a leading web development company based out of Jaipur. They have developed almost all kind of applications for web, mobile and desktop in various industries. So do watch this video till the end to know more about them and their offerings. Hello sir, my name is Neha and we welcome you for this interview today.
Thank you, Neha.
Yeah. So sir, please introduce yourself to the viewers.
Neha, first of all, I would like to say thank you to Startup Lanes team. Those are working towards a great initiative. I'm Amit and representing Urbitech Solutions Private Limited, a digital marketing agency in Jaipur. As per our tagline, evolving business to brand, so we are helping to become a brand. We are 15 professionals working together and helping to meet the business and startup goals. We are providing services of business website, e-commerce website, ERP systems, custom web development, Android mobile app development, lead management system, hybrid mobile app development, iOS mobile app development, digital marketing, search engine optimization, social media management, and many more related to business branding. So we are providing 360-degree solutions to businesses and startups to meet their business goals.
Great, sir. So, sir, how did you come up with this idea of stuff?
Yeah, it's my childhood. You can say childhood dream for that. So I was at the time of my childhood, I was dreaming that I wanted to become a businessman, as like my father. My father was running a small FMCG store, and my father had some products that were manufactured by us on a very small level. At the time of at the time I was doing BTech at the about why should not brand our products, and after searching a lot of companies we could not find any reliable resource and with the reliable prices. So at the same time I felt that I will start a company that will help businesses to become a brand. After that I worked with different companies and learned about the branding and new tech system. So I would like to tell you one more story of my friend startup,
Yeah, sure.
where he did not find any good branding company after levels of early startup and business owners. So I came to the stage where I thought that I will start a company that will help startups and businesses to become a brand. After learning and serving my services to many other companies, I started a company in 2019 with the aim of keeping 100 startups and brands with us by 2035.
Okay, sir. So, sir, what was the most difficult part in the early stages of your startup?
Yeah, to be honest, I don't face any difficulty in my early stage as I am very clear about my growth and my plans. So I
That's
did not
nice.
face any difficulties, but yes, definitely those were challenges that we need to accept and move forward. So if we take a challenge and move forward, that gives us a satisfaction in our life. So now we are 15 members working with approximately 20 to 25 startups and businesses. So I think in the last 2 years we have done a great job and moving forward to our plans.
Great, sir. So, sir, what was the gap in the market that you identified?
Neha, as I told you earlier, I saw my father and friends struggling for their work. So I have I have identified a lot of gap in the gap, like skilled professionals where people don't know what to do and how to do for the branding, for the marketing, for the digital marketing and all. And second gap, I thought longevity, where people doesn't work with a startup for a long term, because if for the any startup you should give the time. If you give a proper time, then you can become a brand or you can be a popular. But without giving a time, and for the tech company, I would like to say that we should look for the longevity, not for the short term goals. And third one is continuity. So I faced a lot of issues while like my friend was struggling to that. People were not working with them, on a long term and continuity. They were not working regularly basis. And next point is reliable tech part. Uh, it is again a good point where we can say if you are a startup or a businessman, then you should have a reliable tech partner where they can in a better way, and definitely reliable price. Whatever you are getting in the price, you whatever price you are giving to the customer, you should deliver to that one. And definitely one more thing is reliable support partner. So we can say if you are a startup or the uh, business owner, where you should get the reliable support partner where people will give you the tech support on a reliable price with the reliable resources.
Absolutely. So, sir, moving on to the next question, can you please explain your business model?
Yeah, definitely. I can explain you an offshore development company, and we help startups and businesses to become a brand. A brand value increase that gives the revenue to business and startups. We work with them as a technology partner, where we take care of their branding, business promotions, and revenue generation. For the small and medium businesses and startups, we work with them as a partner, where we define the branding budget and the same budget amount we also put for their branding. So that's why we always say that we work as a technology partner for the business and startups.
Okay, sir. So, sir, what are the products and services that you offer?
As you know, we are helping business and startup owners to become a brand. So we are basically transforming the business from offline to online. So we are providing the web designing services, web development services, mobile app development services, Android mobile app development services, ERP, lead management system, custom web apps development services, e-commerce website development, e-commerce mobile app development, digital marketing services, search engine optimization, social media management, Google Ads, paid marketing, WhatsApp marketing, email marketing, social media campaign, search engine marketing, social media optimization, lead generation.
Great, sir. So, who are your target customers?
As you know, we are working with the business and the startup. So our target customers are always small and medium level businesses and startups. So that are looking for the technology partner and looking to transform their business from offline to online. So we can help them to achieve their goal in terms of revenue.
Sir. So, why do your customers choose you over other competitors in the market?
Yeah, definitely, it's a good question for any of the tech company. As I earlier told you that I saw a lot of gap between the startup and technology partners. So we are fulfilling the gap between the startup business owners and the tech company. So we have the skilled professional. So we are working we are working 15 member together, and all we have approximately 10 to 15 years experience. So we can say we have the skilled professionals, longevity. uh, so as I told you that we are new in the market, and one of my client is working with us from last 5 years. So that is something like we are working for the longevity. And for fulfilling the continuity gap, we are for the each startup or each business owner, we assign a particular resource for a particular for a business or startup. So we work on the continuous basis. So I'm filling all these gap. As if we come to the next point, that is reliable tech partners. So we are approximately working with 20 to 25 startups right now, and we are for them as a tech partner. So you can say we are the reliable tech partner. And as you know, we are working with them from last 2 or 3 years or more than 5 years. So definitely our prices are meeting their business goals, so that we can say we are reliable price. We have the reliable prices. And last point is reliable support partners. So definitely we are working uh, with them more than 5 years. So we are definitely supporting them well. That's why they are working with us.
Absolutely. So, sir, what are the three unique things about you that makes you better than your competitors?
So if you come to the point of three unique things, so as I already told you, with the with a startup or business owner. So we work as a partner, and we are fulfilling the gap. So BAST, three unique thing is that we are working with them as a partnership model, and we are giving them the longevity, and we are
Great, sir. So please tell the viewers, why should a job applicant work with you?
it is also a very important factor for a tech company that the right people should join us, as we are giving longevity and continuity to our customers. So that's the same thing we follow with our team members. So we work as a team to learn new technology and help each other. So we always focus on improving our team member skills so they can explore their career in a better way.
Okay. So, sir, if it wasn't for your company, what would you be doing right now?
So as I told you, I was working in different MNCs and all that. So I would definitely would be doing the job. But yes, as a business owner, I can say it was my passion. So I was working as a freelancer. So I don't think so there would be other option. But yes, definitely I would project manager, or you can say I was heading the new tech company. So it can be my company, it can be other company, but right now I'm handling my own.
That's great, sir. So, sir, are you looking for any vendors to help you simplify any part of your business?
Yeah, definitely. We continuously looking for the HR consultancies, computer hardware vendors, and the school full tech guys. Those can work with us.
Okay, sir. So, please share your recent and long-term plans for the startup.
So, as you know, as I already told you, that we have achieved a good short-term goal that was our 2 years goal that we thought in our mind that we will work on 10 to 15 startups, but right now we are working with 20 to 25 startups. So we have already achieved that milestone. In the we are planning to start work with 50 startups by 2022. So as you know, we are evolving business to brand. So we want to work with 100 brands by 2035 and make them brand by 2045.
Great, sir. So, are you raising any external funds or willing to raise it in the near future?
As of now, we are not raising any funds, but yes, definitely we are looking for the funds in the near future.
All right. Sir, please tell us about your biggest achievement in the industry.
Every small, yeah, that's definitely a good question, and for achieve is important and biggest for us. And there is a such no such thing called the biggest achievement, but one thing that I would say that as my achievement was when my team said we will work out everything and make our organization one of the global leaders that everyone wants to work with. So there are a lot of things to achieve in the future and aim best for everyone. So I have a few piece of advice and input to share with the people who are trying to make their idea or business work. Always set small goals that can lead you to have always try to begin with the small and then move towards something big, which not only change my life but people that are surrounding me, our clients idea can only be enhanced through us and help with our algorithm and design. So mark every step and achieve every goal.
That's great, sir. So, sir, my next question to you is, how do you help your clients in choosing the right yet profitable platform for branding?
Uh, as I told you, basically the branding company. So for us, it's a simple. So we seek their demand and requirement for branding, followed by our research and finding that go with their budget. The budget that brings them profit and a large database of users, yet giving them the best solution that makes customers live a life easier and not creating a burden on our client. So I follow the same simple strategy to keep everyone happy and manageable at the same time. We welcome feedback and respect their ideas for change. As we all know, there is always room for change. And with our clients review, we bring them profitable ideas plus help them choose the right one too. So we follow a set of strategies to bring a profitable platform, and we seek from our client to be patient, as slow and steady always wins the race, which effective delivery management, app designing standard, trusted QA, and the testing measures. Our client are always happy with their businesses.
That's great, sir. So, sir, how do you update your business system to be in pace with the technological advancements?
So update is a time-taking process, which is important and necessary to carry on with, but it requires keen observation and analysis. Why I'm saying this is because updates of the business system need resources, so it should always planned in a time frame where work is not suffering on or getting hampered. So this is strategy that gives growth to your business while keeping pace with technology's innovation. I plan such update holding the above factors in my mind and this way. So my customer satisfaction rating and technological advancement go hand in hand.
So, please provide your feedback on startup rates.
So as I initially told about the startup sense, they good initiative to connect the startup and entrepreneur. So I really appreciate their efforts and work toward their aim.
Sir, is there anyone you would like to thank for supporting you in your journey?
Yeah, I would like to say to thank you to all of my juniors and my seniors, those help in my life, and to become like I came to the help of them. I become a startup owner, and would like to say thank you to my family and my family, friends, and all of them.
Okay, sir. So, sir, thank you for your time, and we wish you all the very best for your future endeavors.
Thank you, Neha.